So guys, I came live early because this was a buy call right now, so that was the reason. Yeah, definitely it's a buy call, we missed it. So good evening everyone. So guys, this is a buy call for in crude oil. That's the reason I just came in. That's the reason I just came in to check. It was a buy call, guys. This is a buy call. So if you just take a buy entry also right now also, that is at 2896. Should not be very aggressive, but yes, entry is at 2895. Good evening guys, the entry is at 2895. And I think this is a level to watch out, that is 2920, but 95 entry and exit is this point. From my point of view guys, the entry would be at 2895. Is what I'm thinking, not an entry and all, because anyways it is in a fall, so you have to just wait and watch. Good evening Rajiv. So guys, let's see whether we are getting any sell call, then only we'll take an entry. So right now just watching out, that's all. Thought it's going up, so I just came live very fast. But yes, we will get a sell call right now guys, and then only we'll take an entry. Let's wait and watch. So according to the first candle logic, the logic says that it should have just gone back to that CPR, but it didn't go, because it broke that line. You can just see over here the S1, and it just fall back very badly. Yeah, Shubham, just give me 1 minute. So guys, you can see over here that we are getting some calls over here. So obviously this is going to be our sell, and this is going to be our SL. If we get a sell call right now. Hi Chandrasekhar, Silver Mike. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just giving the entry calls and exit calls, and I'm going to just give me 1 minute. SL will be around 2898. If we get a sell call, okay. If we get a sell call, then 2898 would be your entry. Sorry, SL, and entry would be at around 2891. $2891 will be your entry. If you get a sell call, that is very important. So obviously 7-point SL. Let's see whether we are getting a sell call or not. That is very important to watch out, guys. If we get a sell call, then yeah, the SL is at around 7 or 8 points. It will come back and we'll take that entry at that level, maybe 2891. So 2891 and 2881 will be your target. So this is our 10-point logic. So guys, this is our 10-point logic if we get a sell call, okay. I'm just saying Silver Mike. Good evening Sonu. Silver Mike is also falling. We got a sell call somewhere. Then silver, you should use 0.35 guys. Yeah, silver is also falling, so wait for this candle and your entry will be at this point. The next candle will be your entry, that is around 63184, and this is your SL. 48, so 6300 is your target. So guys, this will be happening only when you get a sell call. Still now it is not a sell call. Still now it is not a sell call, okay? Till now we are not taking any entry. The entry is at 63,148 for silver mic, and if it just goes back, it will take that entry and your SL is going to be this level. So this is what I am thinking. SL for silver mic would be 63,312 and entry is at this level. So entry will be at around 63,148 is what I am thinking, okay? But silver mic is just falling, and just see that guys, if the entry and your trailing stop loss line is above that line, then you will not take an entry. So the trailing stop loss line is just near to that entry point, so it is a risky trade. It is falling now, so you are not going to get any so there is no entry for the silver right now. It is falling, it is going badly down, so I don't think so you will get an entry. So this call is not visible. This call is not feasible, guys. You can see that the entry level is above the trailing stop loss line, so definitely your entry level is not feasible. So we can't take an entry over here. Might be it will come back to that level and go down, but at that time when it just go back, maybe, so it will be a buy call. But silver mic, yeah, the target, if you see, if already somebody would have sold, this is a target to watch out. That is 62,668. If somebody would have sold, then yeah, this is a target to watch out. Yes, that is a target to watch out. That is 62,668. .50 is good. Yeah, 0.5 also it's good, but 0.40. Dono is better. Go for 0.40, 40 in crude, and in silver always keep 0.35. Yeah, Girish, just give me 1 minute. Let me check natural gas. Natural gas from my point of view will go up. So it has to break this level first. Breaks that, then you can see natural gas at 219.4. 219.4 is what I am seeing in natural gas. Crude got sell signal. Okay, yeah, I saw Chandrasekhar. So natural gas, this is a level to watch out for. If it just breaks this level right now, that is around this is a resistance level maybe. So then you can see the fall, and it can come back to this, that is 208.2. But from my point of view, natural gas will not come down, guys. So don't go for any short. Don't go for any short in natural gas. Crude oil already marked some points, Chandrasekhar. You can just see over there. You can see that I already marked that point, and it took that entry also. No, it didn't took an entry, but yeah, this is what I am thinking, that crude can go up to that level, that is 2891, and then you can see that fall coming in. So maybe 2891 to watch out for. 0.35, sorry. So from my point of view, I think crude will go up and will take an entry at 2891. So once you take that entry, then 2881 is the exit point. Yeah, Sonu, 0.6 is good, but in 0.60, if you know the CPR levels, then you can just go ahead with the trading, because you'll get a very big trading in 0.6 in the evening part. But from my point of view, yeah, 0.40 is very good to take a entry levels. But in 0.6 you'll get a very big maybe 35-40 points, but don't go for that too much long from my point of view. Use 0.4. 0.6 will give you a very big targets. So guys, still no entry, nothing has taken, just we got a sell signal, that's all. So I'm thinking that it will come to that level, so let's see. And the trailing stop loss line, if it goes below that entry level point, then obviously no trade, it will directly go down. I think we can't take any entry also because it's a risky trade. Because the trailing stop loss line and the entry which I have marked, you can see that it is just close to each other. But I think maybe, you know, it can take that entry at 2891. Let's see. But it's a risk of 9 points, guys. Yeah, so no, I know 0.4 sometimes, yeah, it gives a lot of volatilities there, but 0.6 is good. But if you know that CPR logic, then yeah, easily you can take that entry. 0.6 you will get a very less amount of auto buy sell. So guys, as I told you, it will go up, it is going up. So it will take an entry at 2891. 2891 the entry, yeah, definitely it will take. And maybe it will just come back to that 2881. Let's see. Or if it goes up, SL is it. You're welcome, Sonu. Don't worry. So guys, if you are very smart and you are just already in a crude oil trading, so obviously, yeah, 0.6 is very good for you to take a trade. Brokerage around 250 or 300, Chandrasekhar. Maybe, yeah, 250. So the point where it just came down, guys, this was a point for the entry basically. Without auto buy sell also, the entry was at around this point. I will tell you the reason, because it was below that S1 S2 line. You can see there, and it was a bearish market, and you can see that it was below that S2 level. So obviously I would have taken the entry, I missed it, but I'm waiting for our basics, because our basics works properly, so it's better. And right now the entry is also not possible, guys. You can see that the trailing stop loss line has just come down, so the entry is not possible at 2891. If it comes up to that level also, it's a risky level right now. Yeah, I think same. Yeah, maybe Upstox and Zerodha, but Zerodha, I think for the margin is very high. Upstox you can place maybe C or B order. So guys, it's going down, and I think if you would have if you are a very good experienced trader, so it's below that S2 line, so yeah, definitely you would have entered over here. That is the same point, 9821. So let's see, guys, how down it goes, or it takes a reversal. So now it's a patience, you have to be, but guys, it's a risky trade. I will tell you right now, if it will come to that, maybe that 2891. After that, I don't know whether it's going up. If it goes up, 9 point gone, 8 point, I think SL, no, 7 point SL. SL is of 7 point, guys. That's what I'm telling you. The SL is of 7 points. It's a risky trade right now. Maybe it will just come somewhere over here, maybe around this point, maybe 2895 it can come if it goes up. So it's very risky trade, because once it goes up, you get a buy signal also suddenly. So it's a risky trade right now from my point of view. But the SL is of only hardly 7 points. The risky trade, see, it went up. I told you that it will go up, but there is an S2. That is a main scenario, guys. So we got an entry right now. We got an entry. So we have to just wait and watch for this candle, whether it's a buy or a sell. Let's see. So always remember, whenever the trailing stop loss line is below that entry line, you will never take a trade. Okay, you will never take a trade. This is the reason why I tell you, don't go for a trade. I told you it will come to that 95. It came to that 2895. You can see over here, but it's a support S2. It is a S2, that is a support, so it is not breaking that support. So that is very important line to watch out right now. Yeah, Shubham, sell side. Silver is in a sell side. Only we are. Astha analyst, please contact them. Yeah, sure, Chandrasekhar, don't worry. Today I know the. Yeah, Vamsi, it's volatile, very volatile. I just saw this candle, big candle. That's the reason I come at 8 o'clock, guys. That's the reason. 8 o'clock volatility, I don't think so there is more volatility, and exactly 8:40 to 9 o'clock is my favorite timing, I will tell you. So guys, this was a risky trade. We got an entry at 3891 and the SL is at exactly 7 points. You can see the reason it will not go up. I'm telling you the reason, because it is exactly at that support S2. So that is the only one chance that it can go down. So guys, your SL is gone. Okay, so now you can understand why I told. You can see over here, guys, the trailing stop loss line was below our entry point. See here. So whenever this scenario comes in auto buy sell signal, you should not take an entry. Always remember, guys, whenever this scenario comes in, you should not take an entry. That's all. So obviously our SL is gone. We are in a loss of 7 points right now. Okay. It just exactly came to that level. See, it took your SL. So always remember, guys, whenever you get this sell signal and the trailing stop loss line is below the entry point, you will never take an entry, because it's a risky trade. And you can see over here right now the scenario, it just moved up. So now obviously your entry was at this point in the reversal part. So obviously our 7 point loss, we are in at a 7 point loss right now. Okay, now it just jumped up. So now the entry was at this level. It's jumping up. So once we got a buy, the entry is at the entry was at 2895. Yeah, Amshi, just mail me at shankitrading@gmail.com. I'll just send you the details. So guys, over here you can see that we got a buy, and right now, yeah, our entry was at 2895. The reason because we got a clear entry signal over here, and the SL is very high. SL is at 2879. So SL was at 28 approximately 2880. So 15 point SL, and you just see there 895 to this is our exit level. So this is how you should take an entry. So 2905 is our exit level, and it just came up approximately 93. Now you can see, guys, it will pull up. It will pull up. Let's see. If it pulls up, maybe 2915 is the first target you can watch out for, and then 2928 is the target which I am seeing right now in front of me. So this is just a target I am telling you. So if it just stays above that 2915 is what I am seeing. If it just stays above that S2 level, then only I can see that. सिल्वर मिनी में करंट लेवल से रिवर्स हो सकता है क्या? 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm watching silver mini. So guys, for silver mini reversal, if you can just watch out, silver mini, I think reversal is at this level right now. That is 63,000. So if it just breaks above 63,000, then there is a reversal in silver mini. This is the scenario which I'm watching out for silver mini right now. And sorry, it's at 0.40. Let me change it to 35. So reversal can happen. Reversal can happen in silver mini right now, guys. If it breaks this, that is 62,969, then yes, there is a reversal. You will get a buy signal automatically, and obviously you will get a buy signal right now because it has to go to that 63,142. So maybe 63,140, there might be a reversal again. Yeah, Mukul, I am now great. Still weakness is there, but yeah, let's see. No worries, Vamsi Chinna. Once the session is over, I'll just forward it to you. Silver mini, yes, guys, there is a chance of a reversal if it just breaks that 62,969. And today, I think, yeah, volatility is there. After 7-6, yeah, there is a lot of thing coming in. Crude, we got a buy. So crude, we got a buy, guys. I just put that entry level, you can see over here. So this was our entry. The entry was at 2895. So entry is at 2895 and SL is at this level. 15 point SL is at 2879. Now let's see what happens, whether the SL hits or 10 point logic. So this is our 10 point logic, guys. Let's see. So now the entry has been taken. Okay, guys, right now the entry has been taken. And SL is about around 16 point, guys. Let's see. So now the entry has been taken. Now let's see whether we get that 92905 or not. So again, it's a sell. Let's see. So guys, it's very volatile now. It's the SL will be gone again, maybe. Yeah, Mugul, let's see. So guys, crude is also very volatile today. SL gone again. It's just doing Humpty Dumpty trading now. So crude in just 10-15 minutes, it's just giving a lot of buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. Guys, it is very risky. Natural gas. Natural gas, I think if it doesn't break some levels, I just gave something. Natural gas, this was a level to watch out for. So natural gas, I told if it breaks this, that is 212.40, then it will just come down to around, you can watch out for 208.2. If it just stays below this level right now, yeah, now I'm fine. Still a little bit of recovery part is left. Let's see. Weakness is there, but yeah, it will take some time. So just around, like you can say, a corona only. So if it stays below this level, that is 212.40, then definitely you can see that 208.2 coming in for natural gas, guys. So what I'm watching out for natural gas. And let me check out 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it is going to fall. But you know that, this is a scenario where volatility will just kill everything. So you never know where it's going now. That is the situation. So natural gas, this is a level to watch out, guys. And from my point of view, don't go for a short, because the first candle is very aggression. The morning which it showed. So from my point of view, it might jump up. It will not go down, but still, yeah, the benefit of doubt is there because it is below R2. So chances are there to reach that 208 also. So this line, this is a very important line to watch out. That is around, sorry. So 212.30 is a point to watch out for natural gas, guys. Remember, this is very important line to watch out right now. Whether it's falling or whether it's going up. It's very important line. So crude oil, guys, our SL is not hit. Let's see. Yes, our SL is not hit till now. We're at 0.40. So guys, anybody has taken a trade, you can leave the trade right now at the same point, 2895. So guys, our entry was at 2895. It just came down till that level, that is 2885. So it left by 6 points. Now let's see. If anybody has taken an entry, guys, leave right now. I'm telling you. If anybody has taken an entry, it's better. You are just at the same level right now. You're getting that 1 or 2 point, leave the market. Suddenly we got to buy one more buy. So it's very volatile, guys. It's very volatile right now. You can see that if once the 10 point you are getting, then leave the market. Don't trade. Today it's very volatile. I can just watch out. Just see how much signals we got in just 3-4 minutes. Sorry, means in between 10 to 15 minutes. No, Ajit, don't enter right now. Because already it's very volatile. So that's the reason don't enter. You would have entered at 2885. You missed it. Paper trading, if you are doing, then yes, and you can enter. But if you're doing a real trading, don't enter. For paper trading, it's good. You can just watch out what will happen now. From my point of view, the target, I'm thinking 2915 and 2928 for crude oil, guys. This is what I'm thinking, and it will just maybe in just one or two candle it will break that level. You can see that, because now that because once whenever the crude falls, always remember, guys, whenever the crude falls, people think that it will fall, but it will not fall. It will jump up. It will go and take all of your SLs. That's what crude do. So guys, our entry was below when we got a sell signal. Before that was the entry was already written over there, that is 2895, and SL was around 2879, but it didn't break our SL, and now we are just waiting for the 10-point logic. Okay, because at this level I gave that entry, because 2879 I gave that entry of 2895 for 10 points, and the SL I kept 2879, and I think everybody knows how to take an SL. Let's see whether it goes up or still it's going down. So anybody who has taken the entry is better to leave the market. That's what I can say. Or if you have that guts to wait, then you can wait till 2905 or 2915. 90% correct. So until and unless it is 200 or 150% correct, Ajit, don't enter. And you should have confidence. That is very important, Ajit. So yes, guys, we got a buy again. You can see over here our SL is not hit. We got a loss of 7 points. So guys, if you just follow this logic, your SL will be hitting at maybe 7 or 10 points approximately in that scenario, and you can just recover that again, guys, with the next lot. And if you're very smart, if you know the basics of what is CPR, how the CPR works, then it's easy for you to take a trade. So guys, you can see it's already 8:15 right now. So you can see over here, guys, it's 8:15 right now. 8:40 to 9, there will be some good fluctuation coming in. Today it's just doing up and down, guys. You can just see here. It's not willing to go any direction. It is just going up, coming down. Hi guys. So guys, there was some issue with my voice. So guys, that's the reason I'm telling you. It was like I'm just speaking to the PC alone. So guys, whenever you can't hear me, you just message me, guys. Now I think yeah. But Sonu, now you can hear the voice, right? So guys, whenever you don't hear me, just ping me, guys. I thought that everybody is sleeping or my voice is a problem, because now yeah, I just did something. The voice is clear now. So guys, let's see what the scenario right now. It's just hanging around at that point. Maybe at 8:40 only you can see something coming in. And you can see this fluctuation. Suddenly 4.5 point. After that entry, it is not jumping up. It is entries exactly on the S2. That is support 2, guys. So to natural gas, I will tell you, yeah, that we can make a good strategy, but natural gas, I will tell you frankly, because it is very what we say, that 40-20 points is very time consuming. So I just stopped doing taking entries in natural gas. I'm frankly telling you, I just stopped trading in natural gas. Previously I used to trade, but natural gas, suddenly it will just give the fluctuation of 4 rupees, 7 rupees, and will take everything from your pocket. So anybody who is trading in natural gas, I think they should know, because your lot size is very small. Sorry, the margin money you required for that one lot 1250 is very small, but natural gas is very time consuming. For that, if you use that auto buy sell signal, also is risky only, I am telling you. For that 0.6, and you should have a good knowledge of CPR, then you can trade in natural gas. See, in 0.40 also you are getting very fast. In natural gas, normally I used to use this 0.6 only. I don't use point. But in 0.6, how you should take an entry, I will tell you. Definitely it is in a sell mode only right now. You trade on NG, okay Tilak. For NG, 0.60 is preferable from my point of view. But 10 paise, 20 paise, this is the only amount you can just take out, pull out. You should not wait for that, 2 rupees or 3 rupees. Once in a blue moon day you can get. So according to the auto buy sell signal, yes, definitely it is in a sell mode only right now, natural gas. So here is a 212.80. If it just breaks that, then you can see the reversal part coming in. Yeah, 0.5 to 1 rupee, or maybe change it to 0.40 to 0.80, Sonu. That's good, Tilak. But from my point of view, I think 0.40 or yeah, 0.50, yeah, that's perfect. And majorly 0.50 is what I'm telling you. Starting, I used to get SL. Okay. That sort of thing. In natural gas, only pure CPR and auto buy sell is a very you should know how to use it. If you know the CPR logic, then natural gas easily you can take take out that 0.50 and 1 rupee easily. For that, definitely you should know the timing exactly when the fluctuation comes in natural gas. You can see exactly at 4 to 5, see the fluctuation from 215 it came down to 210. So these are the levels for watch out in natural gas, guys. I will tell you, in the morning it will just it will be like very sloggy in that way, but yeah, this is a level to watch out. Maybe around 4 to 6 you should be very means 2 o'clock. See, you can see, so majorly maybe 2 or 3 o'clock the big fluctuation comes in, and after 8 o'clock also some big fluctuation comes in natural gas. So you should know exactly when the fluctuation is there, and then accordingly you should use this auto buy sell signal and CPR logic. CPR is very important in natural gas, I will tell you. So if you are master in CPR, then definitely any stocks you can trade very easily. You should know the levels, that is very important. Camarilla pivot, I will tell you that because I use that, Tilak, but I don't really like that. That's the reason I don't use. Because in one you have to just go with one CPR from my point of view. If you just use that also, then there is a then you will be get confused, like whether I should use Camarilla pivots or I should use a normal CPR. Silver best time, I think every time for silver is the best time, because if you use a 0.35 and if you get an entry, definitely you will get that 100 point in silver, because in silver this auto buy sell signal 0.35, if you get that perfect entry, definitely you will get that 50 point easily. So in silver maybe 3 or 4 trading you can do from the morning, but if you are not getting that perfect entry at 0.35 in auto buy sell, don't enter into the silver. That's what I can say. And crude oil auto buy sell in the morning, you should keep at least 35.30 to 0.35, and slowly and gradually you should just increase that. So now again we got a sell signal, guys. So today it's very volatile, guys. You can see over here it just came down now. We didn't got a sell. Just wait for 10 minutes, guys, and see then what will happen. So guys, today crude is also very volatile right now. It's better don't trade today in crude. You can see this volatility right now. Suddenly at 0.40 also we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Very fast we are getting auto buy sell signal. So that means it shows that today the market is just up and down direction, move only just coming in. So definitely it's very volatile today. 8:40, guys, the fluctuation will start. 8:40, still 10 minutes to go. Still 10 minutes. We'll wait for 10 minutes and see what happens. Still 10 minutes, guys. 8:42, 9 o'clock. You can see some fluctuation in crude oil. Let's see. So guys, we got a sell now again. Just staying below S2. पक्का अजित, काय इश्यू नाही. आता तर इंट्राडे साठी मी नवीन ट्रिक पण घेऊन आणलोय, टेन्शन घेऊ नका. सर जल्दी शेयर कर दो. क्या सोनू एग्जैक्टली? Training Sonu, I will tell you, because see guys, all the members on Saturdays who come on live session, so they are basically in training only with me. Good evening Khalil. I think अजित इकडे आपला माझा जे मेंबरशिप आहे ना ते 600 त्यामध्ये जॉईन केलं ना तर त्यामध्ये काय आहे की एव्हरी सॅटर्डे नवीन नवीन ट्रिक पण मी हे करून देतोय आणि एक असा जरा जास्त पब्लिक झालं ना त्यावर मग त्यानंतर मी एकदम चांगलं ट्रेनिंग घेणार आहे फॉर इंट्राडे ओनली. Khalil, we didn't get any call in silver, Khalil. And guys, whoever there in my that 600 batch, so now I will just maybe after some time I'll just share my mobile number, WhatsApp number on that group only for that the members who really want to learn something. Then yeah, definitely in WhatsApp group you can just chat with me personally also. गुजराती खलील उतना नहीं आता है. केम छो मजामा इतना ही आता है. बड़ा गुजराती अगर बोला तो समझ जाएगा, कोई इशू नहीं उसमें. नो सोनू, 199 वाले को वेबिनार नहीं मिलेगा. 199 को खाली बेसिक्स एंड फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी जो भी चैट करेगा उनको पहला ये रेफरेंस मिलेगा इन लाइव चैट. एंड आफ्टर मे बी लाइक वंस 10,000 or 5,000 subscribers if I cross, then only the members will get a chance to chat with me, because I don't want everybody to come in, because I need a limited people to chat with me. So you have that priority on that also, so don't worry. All the 199 members will get a priority. After once the people start growing, then you are the one who will be entertained, means you can only chat with me after that 5,000 or 10,000 once that subscriber goes. So only it's going to be a private chat whenever I'm going in a live session. So 199 and 599 people only can just join me on a live chat, and 599 people after some time down the line they are going to get my WhatsApp number. So personally also I can train them if anybody wants the personal training and all with me. So one-to-one session also I can take. So let's see. सॅटर्डे अजित 2 वाजता असतो वेबिनार आपला, आणि त्यामध्ये कसं आहे की आता बेसिक्सच घेतो मी, पण 2 सेशनमध्ये कसं आहे की जे तुम्ही बिगनर्स जे बघितलं आहे, सो द बिगनर्स हु हॅव जस्ट सीन द व्हिडिओज that chapter 1 and chapter 2, that chapter 1 and chapter 2 I have explained in a very brief manner with examples. And I think Chandrasekhar was there, and Chandrasekhar told me last last session when I was when I was taking the last session on Saturday, maybe last to last Saturday something. So at that time Chandrasekhar told me that, sir, if you can just tell me how to find the daily stocks and also I just did a research on that also in 2 weeks. And previously when I used to take that how to just go with the intraday and all. So I just got simple logics, so I can explain you in a brief manner on the webinar. And any issues or any problems you can just ask me in webinar, so that I can explain you very properly, as well as you can say the personal training only you can just see. And any method or anything which you don't understand, you can ask me. I can just make you understand that scenario. Roshan, you joined. That's good, Roshan. So I think Chandrasekhar was there. Chandrasekhar, last Saturday you just asked me about that, how to take out that stocks and all on daily basis. So I have just did it. Don't worry. So in the morning, I think I told somebody, I think Chandrasekhar was there. So I told to go for that Wipro, and one stock was there, I think SBI Life. SBI Life. So SBI Life, you can see guys, as I marked, that same level came down. So SBI Life, guys, you can see there that in the morning, if you can check out, just check out for SBI Life. So this was a stock I told that it will fall, and you can see that exactly at 788 it came. So whenever I give some stock logic in the morning, so see at 9:10 I told you when it was at 808, at 9:10 I told that it will go back, it will fall back to this level, that is 788 and 796. So it came down to 788. So whenever I tell something, guys, you could have taken that PE at that time. Saturday ला कधी फ्री असतो अजित मग? And one more thing, guys, the Saturday webinar, only members can watch 100 times or 200 times. So don't worry. If you miss also, you can just watch out that webinar. Only members or webinar members can watch out. And any issues, so you just make a point that on Saturdays, you just come live at 2 o'clock. You can ask that questions again and again. Natural gas, if it breaks that 212 point something, then it will go down. Good evening, Harsh. So natural gas, guys, I just gave that remark that if it doesn't break 212.30, then definitely you can see it coming down. So coming down, maybe the first target, you can just watch out for this. That is approximately 210.4. And if it just breaks that, then you can see that 208. This is what I'm watching out for. So 210.40, and then if it goes down, yeah, just tell me your queries, don't worry. After 6:30, then Ajit, it is not possible for you. Because on Saturday, 2 o'clock, the webinar starts. Silver mini, okay. Silver mini. Silver mini, Khalil, it's going up. So I think, oh, you missed it. You missed that, I suppose. You missed the entry of going up. I just forgot to say. Yes, you missed that entry because entry was at this level. You can see over here, the entry was at exactly 62,944. You missed that level because you got a buy at this signal. And yeah, definitely your entry was at this level. That is 62,944. Now it will go to this. You missed it. You missed it. If you have taken that entry, then yeah, 293 is what I'm watching. Khalil, if you have taken an entry, then 50 points already. You should have taken 50 points, Khalil, from my point of view. And yeah, there is a previous day high line, maybe. Yes. So I think 62,202 is what you should watch out for. And max, yeah, I know that it will come to this level. But 63,203 is what the first level to get out from the market. Please tell me reversal can... Can you please tell? Harsh, reversal can start for Nifty if you are asking me. Gold view future up. Okay. Just 1 minute, Roshan. about NG at 212. Just let me check NG at 212. NG 212, if you bought, then it's a risky only right now. If you bought at 212, it's better. It's risky because the market is falling down. You should have just placed your SL because it will go down. Natural gas will go down from my point of view. Maybe it will touch 210.40. Then if it breaks that, the natural gas can go down to 208.2 because the scenario right now it is below that R2. But shorting is also not. It can jump also. Just give me 1 minute, Harsh. NG, if it's below 212, then there is a problem only. It will just go down to maybe 210.40. This is what I am seeing right now. For reversal, it has to break this. That is 212, exactly 212 to go up. So if it stays still below that level, which you are telling, that is 212, then there is a fall only from my point of view. Gold future. Gold. SL can get hit because to 1210.40 might be a hitting. SL can get hit at that level. Gold is above. Gold right now, if it breaks this is a very important line watch out to watch out. Maybe if it breaks this, that is 51,107, there is a chance it will go down. There is a chance it can go down to 58,117, but I know it doesn't fall so badly. But if it just falls back, then you can see this coming in, maybe 59.90. If it just resists that R1, then again you can see this coming. That is 51,222 is what I am watching. Yes. First candle logic tells us that it has to go down. So there is a chance that it can go down to 50.99, 990, you know. There is a chance of 59.90. Silver, I think Tilak, it's very, silver mic is very, I think silver mic 400 rupees or something, 600 around. And if you are going out for silver mini, 2000 or 3000 something. But in silver mini and all, you can just, if you are very good, you have to just watch out my previous video where I have just taken a very good trades in silver. So in silver 0.35 with auto buy sell, easily you can take that 50 points out. 50 or 80 or 100. If you are very smart, then definitely you can take maybe 300, 200 points also. This is what I am saying in gold future, gold mini future. Just give me a minute, just give me a second, guys. So guys, gold is also just hanging around at that point. Let me check out with the crude. Crude, our SL is gone or still hanging around. So guys, crude still our SL is not hit. I thought SL is gone. So right now it's 840 guys. Now you can see the fluctuation coming in crude also now. There is a chance of a good fluctuation you can see out. So watch out for. So let's see which direction it will jump. So 840 to 9 definitely guys in crude some fluctuation comes in. So and that is my very good timing you can see. So if now we get a buy guys, it's gone. All the SLs will get hit, you know, in the backward direction. All the SL it will take all the SL right now. Still now guys you can see that SL is not hit. Let's see. So guys, can you hear me? The voice is coming to you or everybody is sleeping? So guys, let's see what is the scenario right now. It is just showing up a green candle. Okay, Tilak. Okay, Kamlesh. I thought everybody is sleeping. Acha, okay, Roshan. So guys, already it's 8 past 50 right now around, and still it is just hanging around. So let's see. And I think everybody would have placed their SL at 202903 on the sell side. You have to just mail me at shankitrading@gmail.com. Guys, I'm just waiting out for this. Let's see what happens. It's already 9. It's 7:15 here. Roshan Pandit. Ten 15 where exactly? Where are you from? It's 7:15 Dubai. Crude oil 19th October 2020. Oh, Roshan, you're from UAE. Yeah, UAE is it exactly 7:15, right? 2 hours behind India. Is it 8:99 now? It's 890 right now. Kamlesh, it is at 89, approximately 890. Let me check out with 0.60. What is the scenario? If the 0.6 is above, then it will jump up. Okay, it has to go up till this level, approximately. There is a chance of fallback. So guys, we have to just wait and watch for this candle to see if this candle is a buy, and you can see the timing, it is approximately 850. So no, I trade at 8 o'clock only normally, 8:40 to 9. 899. It's 895, which I have written entries at 895. Is it at 82899 now? Correct? Is that in angel booking intra? In angel booking, I don't think so. They provide this thing intraday for intraday trading for crude oil. It's very costly, or maybe the script is not available in angel. I think so. So no, if now I don't trade in crude basically. In the morning I trade only in nifty, bank nifty, C and P, and if I get a good stock, I go with that intra, and maybe like 8 o'clock or 8. If I get a good entry in crude, I trade in the evening only. I don't trade from the morning in crude, because crude, after 12 o'clock to 12 to 3 there is one fluctuation, and in between that 5 to around 7:30 there is one fluctuation coming in, and 8:40 to 9 there is one fluctuation coming in crude. So these are the three fluctuation in crude. So normally I trade in the night only in crude. And for 2 weeks when I was not well, yeah, I traded in crude at the afternoon. Because in the morning what happens? The morning, the fluctuation, the volatility till 5 o'clock, it's more very bad on that day. So was sitting for the whole day, it's like wasting your time from the morning till night. So it's better I just change the trade. I have just changed the trade basically. Or at least how many years does it take for new people to learn trading? See Tilak, I will tell you, for new people or old people, maybe if they are trading for 10 years also, then also they have not learned anything. It's very simple. So new people and old people, I think new people, what happens, they will just follow only one thing, maybe like one indicator or two indicators, and the old people, they would have just bolte na pura duniya bhar ka khana kha ke in that scenario. So there is a lot of confusion with the old people. New people can understand very easily. Old people, if they know everything, then they will just have hundreds of doubts in their mind. So that doubt is very dangerous. So I think new people can easily grab up things very fast, and old people, I think everybody knows each and everything, how to take that 5 points, any logic. Everybody is very clever for taking that 5 points, but they will never take that 5 points, because the problem is they need 30 to 40 points, and they will never put an SL, and they are not ready to lose that 100 rupees, but they are ready to lose that 1000 rupees. So that is a problem. How to learn crude trading? Crude trading, Roshan, if you just follow my previous videos and this auto buy sell signal and CPR, if you understand that CPR price action strategy, it is very easy to learn crude trading. Is 0 the Providing crude oil trading. Yeah, Ashwini, it is providing, but it's very costly. The margin is very, very high in Zerodha. That is also good, Tilak. Crude settles after 8 o'clock, guys. Always remember, guys, crude always settles after 8 o'clock. So till 8 to 10, there is a very good chance of, the volatility goes very slowly. Previous video, what is CPR? The profit is always small, loss is always big. That means you should do, Ajay, you should do paper trading. Don't enter the trade. So guys, as I told you, 8:40 to 9, there might be some fluctuation, and you can see this fluctuation around this level timing. Exactly, the fluctuation is coming in now. Yeah, Chandrasekhar. Nifty 12,200 or 300 is what to watch out for, Harsh. If it doesn't goes that level, maybe 12,100, you can see a reversal coming in Nifty. So maybe the highest which it made last time, maybe 12,200, or I don't know exactly the level. So after that, there is a chance of a little correction coming in for Nifty. Yeah, Chandrasekhar, crude is jumping. It will take out all the SLs now. That is the problem with crude, guys. Whenever you think it goes in the opposite direction. But definitely it will take the SLs, because everybody knows that today the market is bearish. Everybody is in a sell side right now. So maybe 12,200 or 300 it will reach, Harsh. Or maybe 2000, that's what I'm saying, 12,100, 200. In between this only, there might be a reversal in Nifty coming in. Yeah, so no, crude always, whenever you think it's sell, because right now I can see the volume, selling volume is 3,000 and buyers are 2,500. And crude always, whenever people think that it is in a bearish mode and it's going to fall very badly, then suddenly you will just see that, some different mode coming in crude. So crude is, nobody can judge crude, whether the market is going up or whether the market doesn't make any sense over there. It is all being operated from someone, I don't know. It just gives a directional change anytime. Yeah, Sonu, yes, definitely. Somebody is handling. See, now the logic is very simple, that everybody knows the market is bearish, right? Now see what happens at 11 o'clock. If it falls down also, it will just jump up after that. It will give a sudden shock to everyone. NG came to 210, okay. If it breaks 210, then NG will come to 208 point something. So guys, crude, nobody can judge the market, I'm telling you. Crude, nobody can judge, you know, if everybody, if the whole world tells that it will going to. Okay, Kamlesh, let me check. NG gone down. So guys, NG broke that level I just told you. So now you can see 208.20 then. Yeah, it was the lowest I think from the morning, yes. Now you can see 208.20. Maybe it will hold at that level, 208.20 guys. Guys, there is a chance NG can come to 208.20. It's just purely based on CPR strategy, guys. Can you upload the detailed CPR strategy in members? Yeah, so it's already uploaded. For only members, you can just see that, you know, the chapter 1 is on CPR and the second one is on CPR, you know, like the basics. It's only for members, Sonu. You can just check out chapter 1 and chapter 2. Guys, if you just know the CPR logic and if you're using this auto buy sell signal, then definitely you will not lose your money. That's what I can tell you. You can easily take out, you know, that 5 to 10 points. If you're very smart, then definitely you can just take that 10 points. Yeah, sure, no, not an issue. So guys, if you know that CPR logic, it's very easy for you. Yeah, Roshan. Bhuvneshwari, there is a join button over there. You can just go to the YouTube pages there. In YouTube only you can just see that. So in my description only you can just find out. So in my description there is a link. So exactly it is just a join button, it's just there in YouTube only. So CPR logic is very important, guys. If you understand that CPR logic, it is nothing, and the levels how I just do, I will teach you everything. Only for that members I'm just teaching it. And on Saturdays on webinar, I'm just taking whatever the chapter I uploaded, that that 199 member, whichever you are seeing. So I'm explaining it in a very deep manner, each and every parts over there, with the live examples. Like examples means on Nifty, and taking a good examples of different stocks and how it performs. So if you know that price action according to the CPR, and if you are using this auto buy sell signal, guys, you can easily, without any means, I'm telling you that without any minimum loss and maximum profit you can make. And in the morning you can see that, guys, I don't use this auto buy sell signal also. And whatever the lines I draw, it is nothing. It is just a calculation of Fibo which I calculate on my mind. So I don't use any Fibonacci also, because so much of experience I have using this. So I don't use any Fibo and all. If you want to check, you can check also. Right now if I have a Fibo over here, so I didn't place the Fibo. So the Fibo levels and my levels will be same, exactly 5 to 2 points. Bhuvneshwar, only card payment is allowed. No, net banking is not allowed. And guys, I just if I just remove this strategy right now, you can just see if I remove this strategy, it's nothing. It's very simple strategy. I will tell you what is it. It's just a Dow theory. See what it's telling you right now. Can you understand? So this is nothing, guys. This is just a simple Dow theory. So you can see, watch out over here what happened. See, it's taking a support at this level, it's going up, so it is making a higher high. You can say higher high levels are coming in, so definitely there is a chance it will move up. It'll take some time. And if we, that's what I'm telling, guys, why we place SL. We place SL. If we fail in our logics, then obviously we are wrong. So we are wrong, then we have to pay for it. And that is where the SL comes into the play. So every time 100% you can't be 100% you can't be a perfect, guys. 100% you can't be a perfect in your strategy. There must be a failure. If you don't have any failure, then obviously you are not a successful man. Then everywhere there is a failure. So you should accept that, yeah, I am going to fail. So that is the reason. Okay, this is my punishment for my failure. Okay, so 10 points I will leave it. In that way you can just go and do the trading. And always remember, guys, without SL if you trade, you are gone. I think every experienced trader, whoever are just watching me right now, they know that without SL what is the problem. Maybe once in a blue moon day you might get that jackpot of 50 or 60 or 70 80 points. Then afterwards what happens? In the morning you can see that I don't use that auto buy sell also. It's just a pure option trading which I do. In the morning, guys, I do a pure option trading. It's very simple. And now I just got some new tricks also. So at 9, 10 or 9, 8, you can just, whatever the, what do we say, whatever stocks I am giving you at around 9, 8 or 9, 10. So always remember the level which I gave, it will reach to that level. So have patience and be very smart to take an entry. That is very important, guys. So be smart to take an entry. Don't jump into the trade because I am telling. Just do some the research very fastly. You can see that SBI Life in the morning only I told that it will fall, and it just came down to 788. It didn't came like because I told. There was some reason. That's the reason it came down. And Wipro also it jumped up to maybe it just came up to that level, that is 378, and then it fall back to 373. Then Wipro again went up to that same level around maybe at 3 o'clock to 378. So if you are a good option trader, then easily you could have taken that 1 rupee. And also the accounts which you are using, the Demat account, that is also very important, guys, because don't put all of your capital into the play. Don't put all of your capital, guys. That's what I'm telling you. And one more thing, guys, I think, yeah, for that 10-10, what we play the trick of 10-10 at 245, for that I think Astha for 6,000 you will get 750 lots. Just watch out for that, what is the margin they are giving. So likewise for delivery, keep one. So this Saturday, guys, I will be uploading all the basic trick for intraday for the beginners, as well as for the, you know, the already any video which is being uploaded, it goes for beginners, and in the deep study I give it to the webinar people. I think chapter 1 and chapter 2 is uploaded, and this Saturday there will be a tricks involved, how to select the stocks and all. And I think, guys, you should have that streak also. Streak, if you have Zerodha, obviously you can use that streak also freely, and if you don't have that also, that is not an issue. I will teach you a different way of tricks. So this Saturday, maybe, yeah, but Virgin CPR and ascending descending CPR is pending. So if I get time, I will just prepare that also in chapter 3, and maybe I'll be teaching on the tricks for the daily selection of the stocks. And maybe if you love to go for that short period of what we say like weekly, if you go for that weekly short term delivery and also swing trading, everything I will teach you. Today my first day, 15 shares sell, 15 shares sell and buy. So which shares did you sell exactly? $15 shares sell and buy and last 17 profit. Okay, Wipro, HDFC, SBI card. Okay. How did you select that? So Bhuvneshwari has become a member. Thanks, Bhuvneshwari. And you can just go through the chapter 1 and chapter 2 of CPR. So just follow my steps and videos. Yeah, Bhuvneshwari. If you followed my steps and videos, 15 shares. Bapre. How did you go on through that 15 shares? I move on nifty. No, Ashwini. You have to just understand that logic. Still, I don't think so. No. Just try, Ashwini. Don't be in a fast movement. Do paper trading. That's what I'm telling. Dude. So guys, whoever are just watching my channel for the first time, just do paper trading. That is very important, guys. Always go for the paper trading. Do it for 1 month. If you don't understand, do it for another 1 month, because don't lose your capital. Don't lose your capital. That's what I'm telling you. Don't lose your capital until and unless because I've seen a lot of people in the morning, they ask me, sir, Nifty will go up or Nifty will come down. So obviously you are not confident. I will tell you guys how I traded today. Once that current was gone, I took 11,950 CE at 72 rupees. Okay. And I sold it out at around 198 rupees. I was just waiting. I knew that the market is not going to fall. So I took 11,950 CE. When it was at 72 or 73, when it just came down. So I took 11,950 around 72 rupees. I sold it for 98 rupees. Okay. So it was a risk for me because it just broke that 11,906 in the morning. So when it broke that 11,906, then I just knew that it is not going to break that CPR level. So it was just hanging around at CPR. Then I took an entry at 72 rupees approximately. Yeah, 72 rupees. 72. No, Ashwini, don't enter into the trade, please. It's my just a humble request from my point of view. You can say, don't enter into the trade right now. If you are just a starter or just a learner, it's better wait and watch. Don't, it will make you excited, you know, that I would have earned this much, that much. But when you go for a live trading, it is not so easy. Live trading is very, very risky. If you want to trade with one, just take one quantity and trade. That's what I can say. Just take one quantity and trade. Because there are a lot of loopholes. When you go for a live trading, guys, there are a lot of loopholes. If you are just a fresher, there is a lot of loopholes, I will tell you. There is a lot of loopholes, guys. Because what happens if you just invest some 3,000 rupees, you are thinking that you are getting, you are just putting a margin of 3,000 rupees, and suddenly when it just goes down, if you don't put your SL properly, the margin, whenever there is a small margin, then definitely the problem comes in, because whenever there is a fall and if you don't put SL, then automatically everything will go out from your capital in just a second. You'll get a message of like, you know, first message you'll get 60%, then 50%, then gone. 80%, 60% and 50% is what the scenario comes in, and your account is gone. Everything is zero. So don't enter into the trade, you know, until and unless you are confident. If you are not confident, then please don't enter. If you are entering any trade, put a SL. Let that 10 rupees go. If the 10 rupees is going, let it go. Let it go, guys. And don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. I'm telling you, don't be greedy. That's all. Don't be greedy. Automatically you'll get everything. Just set your mind that, yeah, today, if Nifty also or any trade, just take 10 points, guys. Just take 10 points. If you're just putting Nifty for if you're just going for 10 points, obviously 75 is a lot size. So you are getting 750 rupees. So if you're just increasing your volume, then it's 750 is 1,500. If you're increasing your volume to 3, that is 2,000, approximately 75 into 3 is how much? Approximately 225. So 225 into 10 rupees, 2,250. If you are increasing it to 4 lots, then you are getting 3,000. So it's just a volume game, guys. Always remember, it is just a volume game. Don't go for the big targets. It is just once in a blue moon day, people will see that. But every day you can't see that. So every day only take 10 points and go on increasing your volume. Yeah, Ashwini, that's great, but I'm telling you the simple logic for everyone. You know, like there are 20 people right now watching. So I'm telling you guys, always don't increase your points. Always increase your volume. That is a game. If you want to become a good trader, increase your volume. If you go on increasing your volume, everybody is capable of taking that 10 point, guys. I'm telling you, without any indicator also, if you are experienced, you are just trading for 2 or 3 years, you can easily take 10 rupees, guys. I'm telling you. If in the morning in Nifty or Bank Nifty, everybody knows that P is 10 points, it will go up, CE 10 point, it will go down. So definitely, guys, you can take out. It's very, very easy. But no, we want that 50 points or 100 points. That is a problem. So if you just make your mind mentally strong in that way that I will only take 10 points, then guys, if you're taking, by putting up maybe 3,000 or something, you can just go for one lot, 3,000 or 3,500 in Nifty. You can just go for one lot. So 750 into 10 is how much, guys? 7,500 rupees. So 7,500 plus 7,500, 15,000 you're making in 3,000. It is only one lot. This is a calculation. If you just understand that calculation, definitely you will be in a win-win situation from my point of view. So people forget that, people want that 15,000 in one day. That is a problem. If you want 15,000 one day, it will never happen. It will never happen. That's what I'm telling you. It's just a volume game. So if you are just taking one lot of Nifty, and guys, you are just consistent with your 10 points. So how much you are earning? Your monthly, it's coming to 15,000 rupees. So if you are taking the 2 lots, so how much it's coming? It comes to 30,000 rupees. So in 2 lots, you are just getting that 30,000. So understand how you can just play the game with only 10 points. And once you start doing this, what happens? Then you feel that you know everything. Then in one day you lose everything. That is the problem. I keep only, see, Ajay, I will tell you one thing. I play in a very big volume. I don't play with one lot. So 5 rupees or 10 rupees is more than enough for me. Five or 10 rupees I take and just remove from the market, because I just play with very, very big volume, guys. I play with very big volumes. So for me, 5 rupees and 10 rupees are very, very big amount. I don't take risk because it already, I have taken a lot of big risk and lost everything because of greediness. So I just stopped doing that. I have just consistency with 5 or 10 rupees. So maximum I take 10 rupees and leave the market. I will never wait for that 50 or 60 rupees. And if I'm very, very happy on that day, if I'm getting a very good profit, then yeah, that that greediness comes into me also. But I play with a good SL. The market scenario and the levels which I feel that comfortable that yes, I can take a trade. So I wait for some big games also, but normally once I get a profit, I never trade again. And in Nifty and Bank Nifty in the morning only, I trade in just 3 or 4 candles and leave the market. I don't wait for maybe like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Yeah, maybe in between the scenario, if it changes and any reversal comes in, so I go and take the trade. Normally I just maybe 10 rupees or 12 rupees is what I take out from the market daily. That's what my strategy is. And I play in a very big volume, guys. So losses also, I have to accept that. In a week, maybe 2 or 3 times my SL is also hit. I'm not lying to you guys, but yeah, my SL is also gets hits, but my SLs are always very minimal. That is the problem, Tilak. If you once you just make a profit, never enter into the trade. Yeah, Kamlesh. If you have this auto buy sell signal, and if you know how to use this auto buy sell signal, and if you know what is CPR, you can easily take 10 points. In the morning, whenever I give levels, okay, remember Kamlesh, in the morning, whenever I give some levels, like if Nifty is at 11,000 and if I give a level at 11,100, so you should enter the trade in between that level. So automatically 3 to 4 candle will come to that level. Understand one thing. So once that comes, obviously you are getting the 10 points. That is a problem, Ajay. I'm telling you, this is the biggest problem what everybody has. You should always don't have an ego in the market. I'm telling you, don't have an ego with the market. If you have that ego, कि मेरा इतना गया तो मैं इतना निकालूंगा, then you're gone. You can't be a very good trader. The main game is, I will tell you guys, everybody is an experienced trader over here. The problem is only with your mindset that once you get that 20-10 points, you are very happy that अरे हाँ मैंने तो लास्ट महीने 20-30 रुपया खोया था या 30,000 मेरा लॉस हुआ था. I will trade it today only. आज ही मेरा दिन है, आज मेरा नसीब है, आज भगवान मेरे साथ है, खत्म. Then भगवान भी बोलेंगे कि यार दिया था ना, लेके जाने का ना, जाना क्यों बना. So that is a problem. So guys, I'm telling you, in market there is no luck. No, God will not come behind you and help you. It is only your mind which is going to be it should be very consistent. And if you have that consistency, see the simple calculation I'm telling you guys, one lot of Nifty is of 70, the lot comes in, one lot is equivalent to 75. Okay. So 10 rupees daily if you take from Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay. Simple logic. Not Bank Nifty, the lot is of 25. So 10 rupees into 75 is how much, guys? 750. So once you get your 750, leave the market. Don't play. Don't play. Leave the market. Get away from the market. That's all. and every Thursday there is a trick at 245. So if you know that trick, obviously you can earn how much, you know that. So anybody who has entered the trick on that expiry day of Thursday, I think maybe we have just did 6 to 7 tricks on Thursday. Only one trick, it didn't failed. It just came to around 20 rupees. Yeah. Yeah, do paper trading, Ajay. That's what I'm telling you. Do paper trading and see what the scenario. And if I'm wrong, you can just calculate it. And I know everybody is a very good experienced trader over here right now. So everybody knows to take 10 rupees. It's not like you have to use a CPR strategy. Any strategy, if you're very good in that, easily you can take 10 rupees. And everybody knows to take that 10 rupees. It's like a child's game. If the child is, just, it will take 6 months or 1 year to, just stand on his own feet. And once, if he stands on his own feet, obviously he can run. He doesn't need his mom and dad to stand behind him. It's the same scenario. So anybody who is in the market for 1 year, he can easily take 10 rupees, guys. You don't need to see my channel, or you don't have to just, look out for anybody's, that bolte na, ye kone, hai. Nothing. It's just a mentality. That's all I'm saying you. Because personally, I have lost so much of money, so I know that. So the mentality is a game, the mentality is a game. When you get something, and when you are in live market, whenever before entering, mere ko 10 nikalna hai, you will take out the 10 point easily. And then what suddenly happens? अरे नहीं 10 क्यों मैं निकालूं जब मुझे मालूम है आज मार्केट तो पॉजिटिव है, आज कोई तो आके कुछ बोलने वाला है कॉन्फ्रेंस में, and the market is going to hit up very badly, so it's better I'll wait for 50 points or 60 points and nothing you will get. Kamlesh, you can watch out at 9-10. I will give the stocks. So for 1 week, you just watch out for the stocks, whether it's working or not, what I'm telling. And then you can enter the trade. And it's not like just, guys, I am giving you any stocks in the morning at 9-10 or maybe around, it's a pre-market opening strategy. And there is one 9:30 to 9:40, there is another strategy. And after 9:30 to 9:40, in between that, before 10 o'clock, there is one more strategy. So there are 3 strategies to come up with. So there are 3 to 4 strategies. So you should be better in taking out the choice, because 9, 10 and all, you get 2 or 3, exactly the scenario, whether the stock is going to go up or go down. So in that scenario also, you should go with that P and C logic. It is very important to see for that, and definitely that level will come. And if you are a very good short-time trader, then it's very good for you, because it just, because on that same day, if it doesn't make any movement, so maybe like 2 or 3 days after that, you can just see that. Wherever review morning levels. YouTube live, Ajay, because I come morning, I just be live at 9-10 exactly. You can just check out, guys. That's what I'm telling. You can just check out for that levels, whether it's coming or not. If you want to see Ajay in the morning today's session, you can just see my video, what I told at 9:10, that Wipro and SBI Life, and see what happened. I'm not telling that you are going to get some 50 rupees or 100 rupees, but definitely you can get your logic simple, 1 or 2 rupees on that P and C. Easily you would have taken out that money. Because I'm not giving you any big, things like 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 in Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's just a basics. You can easily turn around yourself and see after 1 month what you did. So just go for the paper trading. That's what I can say. Sanjay Vanba. Tata Motors for tomorrow. Tata Motors is in a bearish way only, Sanjay, from my point of view. But at the end of the day, it just started jumping, maybe 136. So tomorrow's opening, tomorrow it will jump up from my point of view, Sanjay. There is a chance of jumping up. Let me check out 1 minute. Tomorrow there is a chance of going up. So tomorrow if it just holds this level, that is 135.45, then there is a chance maybe it's a pullback from here, is what I can see. There is a chance of a pullback for Tata Motors from my point of view. There is a chance of pullback, guys. So Tata Motor lovers, you can just watch out for this, or maybe any bearishness. Check out, wait. Just wait, Sanjay. I'll just check out this levels also for 1-day chart also. So exactly we'll know what is the scenario. Support is at 131.80. It has just come down to that level and jumped up. And yeah, definitely the support is at that level. Yes. So support is at 132.60. And it just does that, brushed up that level. So there is a chance of a pullback from here. So if it just breaks down that 132.6, then there is a chance. If it just breaks 130.60, still that level, you have to just wait. If it just breaks that level, then there is a chance it will go down. So then it will come down to this, but I don't think so. Maybe if you are just holding it, Sanjay, maybe little Dussehra, obviously the car, lot of people are going to buy the cars. So definitely I don't think that Tata Motors will go down. And they also launched that EV vehicle also, their electronic, Tata Nexon electronic motor also is they have launched. So definitely don't worry, it will go up if you can hold for some time. Raju, from my point of view, I think 12,200, there is a reversal. So maybe the highest point is, I think, 12,300. So Raju, chances are there. I don't think so. 12,100, 12,200, there is a correction coming in from my point of view. This is what I am thinking. So once it reaches that highest level, then there will be some pullback level also. So maybe it will fall down after that. But 12,100 above, chances are there, but not more than that from my point of view. There might be some correction coming in at 2,000, 12,200 or 300. Because everybody is thinking that Nifty is going to jump up. Everybody's in a, what we say, like in Diwali, it will go to 13,000. That it can also go, but there is a small pullback coming in. Because if there is a lot of noise, Raju, that if market is going to go up, then it will not go up. Because nobody thought that it will come to that 12,000 right now. Everybody was thinking of a correction, 11,000, 10,800 or something, and suddenly you are seeing it today, it touched that 12,000 level. So yes, still you think it will go up, it will not go up, and suddenly there will be something coming in. NG is falling. Guys, NG is falling. I think it reached that level, 208. No, Ajay, I don't think so it will go down from that level. It is holding that level, so I don't think it will go down from that. It just came down to 209, so now it's just showing up that upward directional move now. It is holding that level very bad. It is holding that level, so it will not come below that now. Maybe 210.6. It will jump up from here. Jump up or go down. Let's see. So that's all for the day, guys. I'm leaving early today. It's already 9:30 because I'll just take some medicines and go for a sleep and come in the morning early at 7. So guys, that's all for the day. So we'll meet up in the morning. So let's see, guys, tomorrow may be profitable for everyone. and today also in the night, if you're just waiting for 11 o'clock, so it will be, let it be profitable for everyone. That's what I can say. So that's all for the day, guys. So meet up in the morning tomorrow and we'll do some good trading tomorrow. Let's see. And yeah, there was a current failure in whole Mumbai today. That was the reason. In between I was again out of the live streaming, but tomorrow I think, yeah, possibly there is nothing should be wrong. So that's all for the day, guys. Bye, take care. See you in the morning tomorrow at 9:15 with a fresh trade. Take care. Bye, guys.